Can you believe this? The whole video you just watched was made using just one tool. Yes, seriously. Every single thing, the visuals, the music, the effects, all done with just one tool. And guess what? It only took one prompt. Just one. I know it sounds crazy, but it's 100% real. And the best part? You can do it too, easily. You've probably seen some viral YouTube channels, right? Getting crazy views every single day. And yes, those channels are fully monetized. That means they're earning thousands of dollars each month. Honestly, it's insane. Now, if you watch their videos closely, you'll notice something amazing. They're not using real actors. No big studios, nothing fancy. It's all AI. AI voiceovers, AI background music, AI video clips. And the result? Super viral content. A few years ago, only professionals could make videos like this. But now, anyone can do it. Yes, even you can do it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you everything step by step. You'll learn exactly how to make stunning videos like other famous creators are creating that can help you start your own faceless YouTube channel. And the best part? You can create any type of video you want, like animal story videos, cartoon videos, historical videos, animated story videos, horror story videos, anything you can imagine, you can create with this tool. All you need is one simple idea and this magical tool that I'm going to share with you in this video. And that's it. Your video is ready. And if you're planning to make long-form videos, then trust me, this tool is the perfect choice for you. It's easy, it's powerful, and yes, it can help you go viral. So let's not waste any more time, let's jump right into it. The first thing you need to do is check the description of this video. You'll find a tool link there. Just click on that link and it will take you straight to the official website of the tool. Now the tool we're going to use is called Focal ML. And honestly, we've totally fallen in love with it. I've tried many AI tools before, but this one, it's one of the best I've ever seen. So, you must be wondering, why are we choosing Focal ML? First of all, Focal ML is fully integrated with all the famous models you can imagine. Whether it's video generators, image generators, or voice and sound effect models, you get the best of the best here. For videos, you have access to popular models like Minimax, Kling, Luma, and Runway ML, and many more. When it comes to images, you get all the powerful models from Flux, even the advanced Flux 1.1 Pro. And for voices and sound effects, Focal ML supports 11 Lab, which means your videos will sound professional and top quality. Second, one big problem with many AI tools is keeping things consistent, like characters and locations in your videos. But with Focal ML, you get consistent characters and locations every time, which makes your videos look super polished. And third reason, which I like the most, you can make your video in any languages: English, Hindi, Urdu, Spanish, whatever you want. Also, the credits you use for creating videos in Focal ML are way less compared to other AI tools, so it saves you money while giving you great results. That's why we believe Focal ML is one of the best AI tools out there today. Now, let me show you exactly how to use this amazing tool step by step. Now to begin, just click the link in the description and sign up using your email. Super simple. Once you're in, the interface will look like this. Just click on New Project. Now you'll see 3 options on your screen. The first one is Start from an idea. Here, you just give it a short prompt, and the tool will automatically create a full plot and scenes for you. Super cool, right? The second option is if you already have a script, it will generate scenes based on your script. And the third one is to start everything from scratch. All right, guys, let's try out the first amazing feature, Start from Simple Idea. It's super easy and actually kind of fun. So imagine you want to make a documentary video. Nothing fancy yet, just an idea in your mind. That's where we begin. You just type your video idea right here in this box. That's it. No need to write long scripts or prepare anything else. Now, step 2, choose your video duration. You can select any length you want, short, medium, or even a long-form video. Totally up to you. Then comes the narration. This part is actually cool. You can pick an audio style that matches your vibe. Next up, templates. If there's a video that inspires you, like something you saw and thought, wow, I want mine to look like this, just paste the link of that video here. The system will understand the style and try to match it. And now, language. This tool supports so many popular languages like English, Hindi, Urdu, Spanish, and many more. Just choose the one that suits your audience or the one you feel comfortable with. And finally, the magic button, Generate. Now, once you click on Generate, the real magic begins. Focal ML will automatically create a complete chapter structure for your video based on your idea. Yes, it literally breaks your concept into scenes and moments like a pro storyteller. And here's the exciting part. It's powered by ChatGPT, so you can actually expect some really good stuff. The scripts and ideas it generates are smart, smooth, and usually spot on. Woo! Once your chapters are ready, you'll see them right here on the screen. And guess what? You're totally in control. If you want to edit the script, remove something, or even add a few new lines, you can do all that easily. And if you're not happy with what it gave you, no worries, just hit regenerate and it'll give you a fresh version. So, yeah. From idea to structured script, this tool literally does all the heavy lifting for you. Super cool, right? All right, once all your chapters are adjusted and your editing is done, maybe you removed a few things or added your own touch, and then it's time for the next step. Just go ahead and click on the Continue button. That's it. You're now moving one step closer to turning your idea into a full video. Next up, it's time to choose your visual style. You'll see a whole bunch of styles here, so take your pick. Whether you want a cartoon-based style, realistic-based style, or something cool like sketch animation, it's all available. Just go with whatever matches your video's mood. Next, choose your aspect ratio for your video, and if you want to add captions to your video, totally your choice. You can turn them on for better engagement, or skip them if you don't need. No problem at all. After that, let's talk about voice. This part is super fun. You can select the style of the voice for your video, whether you want it to sound normal or expressive. Just pick the vibe you like. Once you're happy with settings, it's time to move forward. Just click on the Create Video button, and your video will start generating. At this stage, remember, everything like characters, visuals, voices, and more is being generated. Since this is a time-taking process, you don't have to just wait and watch. You can minimize the window and do something else while your project keeps working in the background. You can even turn off your computer if you want, no worries. Once your video is ready, take a moment to carefully review it.
Nearly 5.5 million square kilometers, the Amazon forest stands as one of the Earth's greatest wonders. Often called the lungs of the planet, this colossal rainforest produces about 6% of the world's oxygen and contains an unparalleled wealth of life. At first glance, the Amazon appears as a seemingly endless emerald blanket, thick, humid, and teeming with mysteries. Statistically, it is breathtaking. The forest is home to over 16,000 tree species and nearly 400 billion individual trees. From the towering Brazil nut tree to the delicate orchids clinging to branches, every inch of the rainforest, a single hectare of the Amazon can host more plant species than the entire continent of Europe. The Amazon moderates world climate, locking carbon. Yet it faces grave threats from deforestation. Safeguarding the Amazon is a global concern. Its fate shapes humanity's future. As the forest stands at a crossroads, what happens here defines our planet's health for generations.
If you like the video, you can simply download it from here. But if you feel like polishing it a bit more or editing any part of it, just click on the Edit Video button. A full editing panel will open where you'll have complete control. You can adjust anything: scenes, visuals, audio, everything. For example, if you want to make some changes in a few scenes, just click Edit Video and start customizing. Inside the editing panel, you'll get full control to manage your video. You can generate a new scene, delete any scene, reanimate it, or even extend the scene. Everything is super easy here. If you want to add sound to your video, just go to the New Sound option, type what kind of sound you want, and click Generate. It will create a sound effect that you can add to your scene to make it even more engaging. One more interesting thing, you can also upload your own videos, images, or sounds and add them into your project. So you're not limited at all. And yes, you can also customize the character. You can make your own character, change their voice, or delete them if needed. You have total freedom to control everything about your characters. Now, if we go into the default settings, you can adjust the aspect ratio, styles, image model, video model, and voice model, whatever fits your needs. Now let's talk about image generation. I highly recommend selecting just 1 or 2 images per generation. Why? Because if you select too many images for your scenes, it'll use up more credits. So to save credits, just go with 1 or 2 images, simple and smart. Also, you can easily add captions to your video. Just type whatever text you want and it'll appear right where you need it. And yes, language settings are totally in your control too. Whether you prefer Urdu, Hindi, or English, just pick the language you're comfortable with. You can change it anytime to suit your audience. So overall, you get complete control to polish your video exactly how you want. Make it professional, make it personal, it's totally up to you. Once you're done adjusting all your settings and you're fully satisfied with your video, now it's time to export it. Just click on the export option. Then, give your video a name, anything you like. After that, simply click on Publish. Once you do that, your video will start rendering, and after a short while, your video will be publishing in the community. To download it, just click the 3 dots and hit download, and that's it. Your video will be saved to your device instantly. Now, here's another interesting thing. If you scroll down a bit, you'll see a section called Community Videos. These are videos made by other users on this platform. So if you're not sure what kind of video to make, you can watch these for inspiration. Just remember, these videos are only for idea generation. Don't use them directly in your own projects because they belong to other creators and might be copyrighted. But yes, you can definitely get inspired and then create your own unique video from scratch. That was just amazing, right? Honestly, I bet you never imagined making videos like this could be this simple. But guess what? It is, thanks to Focal ML. Now you don't have to buy 5 or 6 different AI tools separately. Focal has them all in one place. When you sign up, they give you some free credits to get started. But if you want to create top quality stuff seriously, I'd recommend getting a subscription. It's super affordable. Instead of paying $300 for multiple tools, just get Focal for only $10 and unlock them all. I'll drop the link in the description. Check it out. Trust me, people are making a lot of money creating AI videos like this, and you can too. Just believe in yourself and start now. I'm always here to help. Just take that first step, that's the hardest part. If you found this helpful, hit like, share with your friends, and subscribe to support the channel. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video with another fresh tutorial.